degree without attending classes.
No, that-
Anywhere in the world. If you are a surgeon who's not attended a single medical class, tell us what is the ground of challenge.
You cannot debar me without giving me even an opportunity to plead my case.
Let it be. We are not bound by single judge of Delhi High Court.
We've already uploaded those similar orders, Milord, where attendance is mandatory, even the BCI rule, Milord, has been upheld. It's the same matter, Milord, where
Virus is under challenge.
Preparing for BCI.
I am appearing, Milord. Milord, there is already, Milord, but the Delhi High Court has taken cognizance, Milord, in the case of
Use the mic. What happened to that judgment?
No, the judgment is
that
heard and
is-
reserved.
That is heard and reserved, Milord, but a 6-member committee was formed, Milord. Rule 12 was considered.
6-member committee of
Was formed, Milord, to consider Rule 12.
where?
Milord, before the Delhi High Court, Milord, we have placed that
No. Delhi High Court constituted a committee
committee, yes, Milord.
or comprising of
Milord, there were 6-member, Milord.
Who?
Milord, the retired judges, Milord, and there was some professors, Milord.
This is the domain of the Bar Council.
Milord, they have referred it to Bar Council, Milord. The Bar Council has
the legal
Bar Council has
application-
constituted by the Bar Council, Milord.
The committee was
I'm sorry.
constituted by the
I'm
Bar
sorry,
Council.
by the Bar Council, and we, yes, yes.
That how does it
I apologize,
constitute a
Milord.
committee?
It was referred, Milord. We constituted the committee, and
So
we have
what has the
said-
committee done?
Milord, we have said, Milord, that we have reconsidered Rule 12, Milord, and Milord, we have
No
said that
relaxation.
enough, Milord. No relaxation, Milord. Relaxation is already there in Rule 12, Milord. In case of Milord, in case where it is needed, 5% relaxation is already given.
So
65.
they are saying rules don't need further amendment.
Don't need further amendment.
Yes, they are saying so. Milord, the rules are already under challenge, Milord. The final judgment is heard and reserved, Milord. Milord,
Let
whatever.
it be. We are not bound by single judge of Delhi High Court.
No, Milord, the division bench, Milord, that is
Or
also
even
not
division bench of Delhi
That
High
is
Court.
also not binding. Indeed, Milord, my only
There
prayer
are
is
several
let-
judgments of the Delhi High Court
Indeed.
and the Supreme Court
Indeed.
confirming the making
Milord,
these
not
rules
exactly,
mandatory.
Milord. I can distinguish each and every judgment. Even the Baldev Raj Sharma, Milord, was exactly or not on this point, Milord. In fact, my reliefs are multifold, Milord. My grounds are multifold. My only prayer is that let the judgment, Milord, come. I will address separately, Milord, independently of that judgment.
You tell us what is your ground of challenge.
Milord, there are several grounds, Milord. I have challenged to the extent.
Tell us anywhere in the world you get a law degree without attending classes.
Milord, that-
Anywhere in the world.
That is also been examined, Milord.
You tell us one country in the world where you get an LLB degree without examination
Milord, I bow
or
down.
without attendance.
Milord, my case is very limited.
Next time when you go to a hospital for a surgery, we'll give you a surgeon who's not attended a single medical class and take an exemption and we'll ask him to operate upon you.
Milord, my only prayer is, Milord, it's a virus matter. Let it be.
Query is what's there to, it's upheld up to the Supreme Court.
Milord, not exactly. Rule 7 has.
Tell
not-
us what is the ground of challenge.
Milord, firstly, Milord, on a very limited ground, I've said that if I'm suffering from a genuine medical disease, you cannot debar me without giving me even an opportunity to plead my case. There has to be an
Please
exemption.
tell us one thing. Attendance is mandatory.
And
You've not attended classes. You want admission in college. You want to attend, you take the examination, clear it and then do what?
Milord, there is already a provision to cover up those classes, Milord. I am ready to cover up those classes anyhow.
How does one cover it up?
Milord, by attending subsequently the semester after my 5 years, Milord, there is.
After you've taken the exam, you attend the class.
Milord, in fact, in the institution, the current institution, Milord, the rules are.
So it is like, let the judgment be pronounced. I will come and argue tomorrow. That's what you're saying.
I am only praying, Milord. Give me some time, Milord. I'll address independently.
You take as much time as you want your address.
It may be kept in June, Milord. The judgment will also.
You
come.
filed the affidavit saying
Milord,
that
I'll file.
Learned Counsel, you are for Bar Council of India.
Milord, Bar Council.
Learned Counsel appearing for Bar Council of India submits that a 6-member committee was constituted by the Bar Council of India to examine their contention,
No.
Milord,
their contention or
No,
the rule in general,
Milord, rule in general, Milord. Rule 12.
to examine the attendance rules afresh. And the committee has opined that no further amendment or relaxation in the rule is called for. He prays for time to file an affidavit. Let the same be filed within 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Within 2 weeks. List after 2 weeks.
Milord, week commencing June, Milord. At least before the new
And
academic.
after 2 weeks,
Milord, week commencing, maybe it won't be
all
lifted.
right, week commencing 23rd June.
Highly.